Next, let's look at the writing settings. Click on the writing. This is where you would configure the settings when you are doing your posting on your WordPress website. You can choose a default category for all your posts. Here, let's just choose news as the default category and the default format. Leave it standard is good enough for most of everyone. And post via email here actually allows you to post a new article or news on WordPress website via your email. But I don't think this is a very useful function right now, so we're just gonna skip this. And the rest is just leave them as the default settings. Click Save. Next, let's go to reading. So on the reading settings, you could select your home page to display your latest posts or show two static pages, one for your home page and one for your posts page. The home page is basically a home where you want to have a nice, elegant design for your home page to appear. Now for this Seriflight theme that we are currently using, the default home page is home that was auto-created. And the post page is blog, where it will list all your posts on this page. So home page basically means this page, which is the default page that people will see when they land on your website. And your post page, which is blog, is actually under the URL localhost/wordpress/blog, like this. Scroll down further and you will see further settings such as how many posts that you want to show on the blog page, how many items that you want to show on your syndication feeds,